We're having some hard times in the dairy world.
Cinnamon Ridge is one of many dairy farms in the region that works hard year-round to make money.
But it is a challenge for us to make ends meet because our foreign exports have gone down to next to nothing.
And those are their biggest customers.
The exports make up a good share of our dairy. There's not a lot of trade movement right now, so everything is kind of on freeze.
Except for one thing.
The price of milk especially has really gone down.
To about $1.25 a gallon. They need closer to $2 to break even.
Cut your expenses down. You can't control your price, so you got to control your expenses.
And they thought things were on their way to getting better.
December, January, prices were starting to come up a little bit, and then the coronavirus hit. The light at the end of the tunnel might have been a gorilla with a flashlight. We don't know.
And hard times down on the farm started well before the coronavirus outbreak, so situations like this aren't new to farmers. But Maxwell says getting to work with these guys right here is what makes it all worth it.
These girls are just super fun to be with, and I don't need to practice social distancing with a cow, and we just love what we do and how we do it.
So times are tough.
It's very frustrating.
But he hasn't lost hope.
I'm sure better times are ahead. I just don't know when, and we got to survive until when.
Zachary Winicky, Local 4 News.